in science and technology, innovations in business and beyond. Join us as we educate, enlighten, and entertain. This is Advancements. Coming up on Advancements, discover how automation is creating efficiency across industrial markets. Breakthroughs in technology are reducing energy consumption. Learn about the curative properties of cell therapy for certain types of blood cancers. And developments in high-tech washing equipment are minimizing resource usage. This and more, all ahead in the next half hour.
Welcome, I'm Ted Danson. From industry leaders on the cutting edge of business management to the key players responsible for reducing environmental impacts, today's episode is geared to keep you up to date and informed on the latest topics and current trends.
As supply chains enter into a fourth industrial revolution, known as Industry 4.0, advanced digital technologies across engineering and manufacturing are set to bring the manufacturing ecosystem to the forefront of modernization.
Manufacturing creates jobs all the way from assembly workers to engineers and designers. And through technology and advancements, such as robotics, allows us to create things at a top quality, the same quality every time, and allows us to be much faster.
Manufacturing has been a huge part in innovation for materials, for all industries, from automotive to healthcare. Specifically in our manufacturing has been a huge driver of new technology for high rises, many different industries for pressure piping, gas plants. So it really is the backbone of our country.
Playing an essential role in the manufacturing sector, the market for base metals is fundamental to the world economy. From construction to shipbuilding, metals are traded globally and are used widely in both commercial and industrial applications.
Metal plays a fundamental role in the world's economy. Many countries' GDP is very dependent not just on the extraction of metals, but also on the use of metals such as iron, steel, aluminum, and copper in building infrastructure and in consumer goods that we use today. Metallurgy also plays a vital role in it. It allows us to make bigger, better, faster products. There is a skilled metal trade shortage right now. I think there's reasons for that. First, in the last 50 years or so, we haven't really been encouraging our young people to pursue anything as a trade. Second, there's a lot of tradespeople that are starting to age out of the workforce, which is compounding the issue. Third, women are not really encouraged to go into trades either, which is really kind of eliminating half of the possible workforce.
The growing need for skilled welders in offshore wind and shipyards has placed a tremendous demand for labor in these sectors, resulting in a lack of efficient, high-quality welding solutions for large and complex structures.
Our industry requires highly skilled workforce, so that compounds the issue. As a result, we've embraced technology in ways such as welding robots, and through our quality programs that are automated, having automated systems in place allows us to be more efficient and do more with less. A lot of the manufacturing has left North America, and so has that investment. In order to bring it back, technology has allowed us to be price competitive. We can manufacture as well or better.
As the nature of manufacturing evolves, developments in artificial intelligence, automation, and robotics are creating new technically advanced methods for producing steel.
Things and tasks that used to be all manual labor have been taken over by robotics, giving us increased efficiency, accuracy, throughput. Specifically, we've been able to introduce robotics where a welder used to have to weld it by hand, and what would be hours is now done in minutes. We have technology that records the weld, records the heat input, records all the variables that are needed, and we can have computers analyze that data and tell us how we can improve our welding processes. And we're able to now manufacture goods here just as cheaply, but with higher accuracy and higher quality than what is done overseas.
In addition to throughput, investing in custom robotics is helping to increase parts wear life, so the market can consume less products and be more sustainable.
With automation and robotics, there's less rework, and you're producing more with less, and with less energy consumption. Also, these tradespeople are not being subject to any type of hazardous situations. In addition, it also allows us to hire people, such as those that are in more STEM type of professions.
Using automation to increase production and reduce consumption is helping manufacturers keep up with the ever-evolving demands of the industry.
Automations are known for its flexibility and adaptability nature. This can be programmed and reconfigured to work on different sizes, product type, and specifications. So we can reconfigure and reprogram the machines to meet up with the shifting customer demand and to meet up the market trend while still producing the better quality product. This has helped us to be in line with the ever-evolving demand of the industries because it's keep on changing. So we can put our product faster in the market, and that makes us more competitive.
Continued improvements in robotics technology will increase our ability to have a local supply chain now and into the future.
With robotics, many items that are manufactured overseas can now be manufactured locally. By manufacturing locally or within North America, we can reduce logistic costs, reduce time frames, and really decrease the cost to the owner, whether it be an energy facility or a building. By having a tight supply chain and a local supply chain, we can do that much faster, especially with new emerging markets like 3D printing, where we can actually just print a part on demand rather than having to procure that part a year prior, just in case you may need that part because you know that that could be 6 months away. So by having that on-demand ability, we can now have a supply chain that's very close, and we're able to get the consumer parts much faster to the customer. Through AI advancements, we're going to see revolutionary change in manufacturing. Everybody right now is chasing robotics, chasing advanced technology so that we can have much higher capacity, much faster manufacturing, so that we can emerge and have a very, very strong local supply chain and local manufacturing.